So First Solar is a company that manufactures photovoltaic solar panels. We're the world's leader in the thin film photovoltaic industry. We manufacture them, we install them in solar sites, and we also sell them to implementers. The overriding goal of our mobility program and why we wanted to build apps for our users internally as well as externally is just in one word: simplicity. I want to make our associates within the company, the performance of their duties and their functions and their jobs, want to make it as simple as possible whenever possible. We've built applications in Pyxis to do BizTalk administration. BizTalk, for those who might not be familiar, is a solution for systems integration. So if System A wishes to talk to System B, you can do so through BizTalk, and you gain several things: guaranteed delivery, audit trail, those kind of things. The administrators, because that's a very crucial system in our enterprise, are called all the time to troubleshoot problems. They wind up having to go either back into the office or log in on their laptop and VPN into the enterprise. And then they have to do a bunch of diagnostic steps. We have now given them the ability with a Pyxis Mobile app to do all of their diagnostics and control major systems that interface through this mobile app. So we actually have given them capabilities on the phone that they don't have on their laptop. So I wanted a MEP, in large part, to give me protection against device change. I also wanted to avoid having to have a stable of developers for every platform. The continuous update and feature of Pyxis is crucial, I think, pretty simply because it allows me to ensure that my users always have the latest version of the application. I never have to worry about, do I have someone out of sync, or do I have data or functionality in the new version that needs to be there and they're not using it. With Pyxis and their configuration-based approach, I know that the user will always have what they need, the latest version of the application, and I think that's important. I think some applications, once they're in production, will almost never change, if at all. For instance, we have an application that allows people to quickly see who's on call for a particular area of technology. I don't expect that app to change. That is what it is, and it's not likely to change. We have other apps. We have a workflow app that I mentioned earlier, and I expect that app will change fairly frequently, not so much because the workflows themselves are changing, but because we're adding additional workflows to that application. So today, that application supports 2 of our workflows. A month from now, 2-3 months from now, it may support 3, may support 4, I don't know. But I expect that app will change much more frequently. Pyxis impressed me early on with their commitment to excellence, but they also impressed me with their approachability. And some of the things that I really like about Pyxis are they listen, and they're very motivated to make their customers successful. I like that they take what they hear from their customers and roll that into the product or roll that into their processes. I like the vision, and I like the fact that they share their vision with their customers. Everyone that I have worked with at Pyxis has been a joy to work with. My #1 goal for a mobility program at First Solar is simplicity. If I'm not making somebody's life simpler or making their processes simpler, then I'm not adding value. The migration to the smaller platform, to the mobile device, is inevitable. It's arrived, and if we want to stay competitive, we need to be on top of that as well.